Hi! Welcome to my vlog. It's me, welcome to my vlog. Kami ngayon, nandito tayo sa Montserrat. Montserrat near in Barcelona. I think this is the old train before. Yeah.
I think it's...
Daming tao, you know. Look.
Okay. Yep.
Ready to go. How steep, oh? We will go up there.
Yep.
Canadian Wanderers.
Kijk, zie je daar de trein, de andere trein?
Oh.
Wow.
Oh, we are there too.
I think there will be a point that we need to cross each other.
That's more.
Ja, dat was hier niet.
Oh, tingnan nyo, oh. Special rail yan. Nasa gitna siya. Diyan sa Montserrat. Wow, that's amazing view, mga kamemeo. We are here on the top of the world. Dito tayo sa mas magandang view. Uy, natatakot ako. Nangangatog ang tuhod ko dahil. Tignan mo naman yung ano, pa. Ang ganda, grabe. Yes, dito na tayo sa Basilica with my jowa. Hagay sa pag-akyat doon. Umakyat kami. Kaya halika na. Silipin muna natin ang Basilica con Carne. Charot. Grabe ang ano, structure ng parang rock formation. Grabe, parang tao. So beautiful this place. Nice guy. Ganda. This is a Basilica.
You know how to speak again.
Yeah, huh? Ang ganda ng place, grabe. Nakakamangha. Ito, grabe. Structure. Let's go inside Basilica. Pasok tayo. May entrance talaga dito. Hindi lang ako nakapag-entrance. Charot. Baka makapag-ano ng candle. Yan o, naka-line sila. Yan. €8 ang entrance. Ah, they see the candle. Ah, they see ears. Come.
Die beneden moeten weer zijn natuurlijk. Dat is ook de afval. We zetten het. Dat is niet. Dat is niet.